Hello and welcome to this class. Hi, I'm Ashwini, an artist based out of a beautiful city in Austria. Watercolor is one of my main tools when it comes to expressing myself on paper. Today we'll be painting a beautiful landscape using watercolor and masking fluid. Have you ever wondered how people paint these beautiful paintings while retaining the whites in certain areas? If yes, you'll find out a trick that most watercolor artists use. That is masking fluids. This class is totally beginner friendly. I'm going to guide you through everything, so don't worry if you have never used watercolor before. We will tackle this painting by using a reference image, simplifying it and mixing our own colors to keep it interesting. I know a lot of you don't have a huge range of colors, so we'll be working with just 5 colors, the colors that come with every basic watercolor set. I will share the reference photo and the color mixing chart in the references section. I highly recommend you download it before starting this class. I'm so excited that you're here and want to know more about watercolor and masking fluid. Grab your supplies and let's just get started.